Hello everyone, if you are watching this video, I welcome you all onto my YouTube channel, The Bacon. Oh no, bacon खाने वाला नहीं है. Bacon also stands for the entrepreneurship. Well, anyway, everything starts from a story. So I've got a story. Definitely, I'll tell you about that story. So मेरी कहानी शुरू होती है 11 साल पहले when I started my journey in IT sector. I started my journey as a system engineer and मेहनत पढ़ाई. Then I became a cloud systems engineer. Again, मेहनत पढ़ाई. Then I became a product owner. Cool. मेहनत पढ़ाई and I became a senior product manager. So there is a lot of मेहनत and पढ़ाई. So all of this मेहनत and पढ़ाई, it's good. One of the motivation factor which has been there behind this मेहनत and पढ़ाई was whenever I used to learn something, I used to share it with my friends. बदले में मुझे थोड़ी शाबाशी मिलती थी और थोड़ा वाहवाही मिलती थी. मैं बहुत खुश होता था. And that motivation actually somewhere behind the scenes made me excel. And today, that mehnat and padhai brings me to you all. And this mehnat and padhai, definitely I would want you all to leverage from it. So that's what I'm going to bring on table by this channel. This channel is going to be all about technology, entrepreneurial skills, product management, and personality development. And if you want to create a personal brand, this channel is going to let you know how to create a personal brand. So guys, this is going to be a lucrative opportunity for you all to learn it from my experience and excel in whatever you are doing, excel in whatever new which comes your way, or excel whatever you feel like is right. So yeah, there is going to be a lot which is going to come. So I would insist you that do not miss the opportunity of learning all what matters. So देख क्या रहे हो, subscribe करो and begin with it. Thank you. I'll see you in next of my videos.